In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a project and project notes in Microsoft Project. We'll work in Microsoft Project Desktop, and by the end, you'll know how to print your schedule from common views like the Gantt chart or Sheets, fine-tune the page layout for a clean result, and include task or project notes so your printout tells the full story. Start by deciding what you want to print. From the View tab, pick the view that best represents the information you need, such as Gantt chart, task sheet, resource sheet, or even a report. Once that view is on screen, go to File, then Print, or press Ctrl+P. You'll see a live preview on the right. Choose your printer, including a PDF printer if you want a digital copy. Under Settings, decide whether to print the whole project, a date range, or a specific page range. Then choose an orientation. Landscape usually works better for wide Gantt charts, while portrait can be fine for sheets. When the preview looks right, click Print. A few quick adjustments before printing can save paper and improve clarity. On Gantt views, adjust the timescale so the timeline fits more sensibly across pages. Zooming the timescale out can prevent a long string of extra pages. Hide columns you don't need by removing table fields so your printout focuses on what matters. And if you only want the grid without the Gantt bars, switch to a sheet view like Task Sheet before you print. For more control, open Page Setup from File, then Print, then Page Setup. On the Page tab, set orientation and paper size, and use scaling, like Fit to Pages, to compress a wide view onto fewer pages when appropriate. In header and footer, add a clear title, dates, or page numbers, so printed packets are easy to navigate. The Legend tab lets you include or remove the legend for the current view. Removing it can free up space if it's not essential. The View, or sometimes Options tab, includes view-specific print settings and is also where you'll enable notes printing. If you want to include notes, Microsoft Project can print task notes, resource notes, or project summary notes after the main pages. With your desired view open, go to File, Print, Page Setup, and select the View tab. Check Print Notes, click OK, and then print as usual. Notes associated with tasks or other items will appear on separate pages following your schedule. You can add notes to individual tasks or to the project summary task, and they can include text or embedded objects. When printed, they follow the main schedule so readers can reference details without crowding the primary view. Before finalizing, skim your notes for clarity and completeness to ensure they add helpful context.